Hey, what's up mga kabrad? Ito, magluto ako ng tortang talong, balat hotdog, at may suka kami. At white rice. Ay, white rice. White rice. Bisita kami si Marian na Pamdangal at si Aisha. Aisha, say hi. She will stay here for 3 days. Sa?
Yeah.
Okay. Kain tayo. Dapat pala ito, inisa na lang natin.
Dito oh.
Oo, lagay mo na lang para matanggal. Bismillah. Siyempre, hindi mawala ang ating ketchupin.
Dead man ketchup sa akin.
Oh, kasi may sukain.
Yeah.
Ganyan si Mariam pag may suka. Let's eat, pansit.
Ito na sa spoon.
Pag-gamitin mo.
Ito na lang. Para kuha lang sa Ate Maria mamaya.
Use your hand like that. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Sarap oh. Daming sibuyas. Pwede natin maraming sibuyas.
This is soup. I can put it. Use this. Sorry.
Ketchup.
Joke lang. Hindi pala dead man yung ketchup. May torta pala.
Makain naman siya Filipino food.
Pilipino? This is Filipino food.
Yeah. This one. And that one. You eat.
This one is nice. Yes. Even this one.
Shukran. I cook that.
That's why I love to stay here. I can eat whatever I want. Especially at Sarah, cook like this.
You don't know to cook this.
I know, but I don't have time.
Why? That is so much.
I want to cook here in the house, but
Not
Madam,
allowed.
she don't want the smell. That's why sometimes only I cook my food. Like today I cook egg because Madam she don't want the smell of the egg. I cook if Madam not in the house. And she say, "What's the smell? What's the smell?" I don't want to argue to Madam. That's why I'm avoiding.
When Marahag, what you want? I cook.
Yeah. Plus, sana bakasyon sila, no? Mag-Georgia naman sila ba?
Iwan kayo dito, ne?
Hindi ako kasama tulog dito. Doon sa pero. Kami sa kwarto ng mga ano. Serving na!
Nagawa pa niya tiyahe. May iglasyon pa siya.
Sa Ate Maria. Here ay siya literal. You know how literal, what literal I mean? There's nakitsak daw. I only eat once a day. Coffee, but then in the night like this. Because they have a lot of work here. It's like the house very small. Sa?
Here.
So when it's get lunchtime, I can.
No, they
No.
didn't eat lunch.
But you can eat.
Mm.
You go down eat.
You have food.
You have food, sir? Go down you eat.
You have your favorite banana. You have your banana. Eh!
Alalahanin mo, nandyan yung si matang lalaki. Kaya nga, kailangan pag kumain ka, tapos kakayat na, andyan si matang lalaki.
Bakit ito hindi ninit?
Mainit siya.
Okay. Happy? Happy?
What time you will wake up?
Kanino to?
9, you need to be ready.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
I
already...
wake up 8.
Okay. 9, you will take a shower, sa first?
I wake up 8:45.
Then take a shower.
Yeah. After that, 9, 10,
It ba yan?
or 9:20, I was finished.
Okay.
So you have to wake up 8:30 and you have 30 minutes to prepare yourself. As at 9 o'clock, you are here.
Here in the kitchen, you can eat already. Then, because we will come down 9:30, we already clean here. So you need to learn everything. So when they come back,
Ng ganyan sa kanya ba?
okay?
Ayoko magsalita.
You need to join first.
Ayoko ng ano.
Paano matutunan?
I will teach you how, okay?
Turuan ko lang siya.
Then-
Yung magsalita talaga na ganun. Ayoko.
Tomorrow, there's a family day here. Everybody's here. We will make a salad. We will make a coffee. We will set up the outside. We will clean up. Okay? But if you want to eat, just tell me. Okay? Don't worry.
Sabi niya kahapon.
Ang paano naman?
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Sabi niya kahapon.
I want to go with you.
Sure?
Yes.
Ay, si madam. But I don't have a kama. You will stay there in mama.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
They will not eat you.
I'm not zombie.
Sabi niya first time niya lang doon.
Kasi wala doon siya makausap.
Here,
Pa, 23 years old.
you will talk to me. Sabi niya, ako. Kausapin mo ako.
Bigyan mo na yung account mo sa kanya para pag nalulungkot siya, tawagan ka na agad.
No.
Wag kang magbibigay.
Makamali.
Hindi sila mga ugali nito. Bakit na parang ang ganda ko dyan?
Bye.